this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2013 Ram 1500 in an SLT trim and powered by a 5.7 liter Hemi V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and a hardtop tonneau cover on the back so you can keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. You even have sort of fold-out cargo platform here, while also having compartments underneath for more storage. Then in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more down there. And you even have some more storage bins right here on either side, and they're pretty deep, so you can store quite a bit in there. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. And now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 125,362 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side, you have your cruise controls, as well as your manual gear shift buttons here. And then on the left, you have your hands-free phone controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, all of your vehicle info, including service information and whatnot, fuel economy, trip A and B information, your trailer tow status, your audio station, any messages such as warnings, and your screen setup in general. You also have your hands-free radio controls on the back side of the steering wheel. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio Sirius, USB, auxiliary, Bluetooth, and SD capable, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your your controls for your mirror dimmer and some settings. You have your digital climate controls, where you can change the position of your blower and everything. You have your navigation screen, so you're going to be able to hopefully avoid getting lost on your travels. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, but we don't have anything connected. And then you have your general settings for your screen and other features. But then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you'll be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. Moving down from that, you have your media controls with your hazards and then your physical climate controls. Do also have your trailer brake controller, traction control shutoff, tow haul mode, and park assist sensor shutoff, because you do have rear park assist sensors that will beep to alert you. To the left, you have your main shifter just on a dial, very convenient, and your four-wheel drive, your 4x4 selector. And then on the right, you have a 115 volt power outlet with a cubby above it. And then going down again, you have a 12 volt power outlet there and a USB here, as well as having this compartment with a bunch of storage capacity inside, so that's nice too. But then moving on to your center console area, where you have three cup holders, as well as your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside, with your 12 volt auxiliary, USB, and SD port, so you can plug something into power or charge or hook up your audio there. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your fifth passenger seat and sixth seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you have a little cubby here and more storage underneath as well, so that's cool too. Then looking back, last but not least, you do have a power sliding rear window, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.